Fuller will get it back out. Karakot from straight away.
Mali ni CJ. Hindi naman outside shooter si Fuller. Why are you going to help? And then leave a man that you know is a
CJ nagmamada. Ang ganda ng harang ni Mamu. Walang mabuntahan si CJ. It's a 2-on-none. Mamu all the way. Coach George Gallant has seen enough. Almost 5.5 minutes of basketball na lumilipas. Pero ang kanyang kupunan ay nabigay na ng 16 puntos. That jacks up their points allowed to 112. Number 10, Dr. J. Ang dalawa na lang na mas nakulelat pa sa kanila, yung dalawang tanggal na, Terra Firma at Phoenix.
So,
If you cannot stop anything from scoring, how deep can you get?
yeah, it's not going to be good when you're playing for the championship. Or even if you want to get
Sa mga 100 na free throw niya, Manuel on the slide.
meron pa rin laro ito.
Pero tignan mo naman, mabilisan talaga para sa Rainer Shine.
And again, you have to foul. And you foul, you still have mag-last shot, pero may fouls to give ito.
Jericho, nag-hesitate pa. No problem naman pala.
Napaganda pa pala yung miss na layup, naging 3-point shot.
Lemeti Bapawes!
Layup, naging 3-point shot.
Lemeti Bapawes! On that right corner pocket, Dr. J.
Oh, yeah?
Phoenix Pangilinan Lemeti beats the buzzer.
Ba't doon ka nakatingin sa right pocket?
Eh, may nakaupo dun eh.
Okay.
Nagtakip to. Ooh, nice eye in the sky play. Perfect placement from Belga. And an even better finish from Chong Song.
Parang tingin pa sa akin.
Baka raw hindi natin napansin siya nagpasa to.
No.
Sinisigurado.
Of course.
Off the secondary, will attack the muscle man. Kicks it over. Clarito for three. Punches it through.
Hindi ako nakashoot ng 2 free throws.
Gusto may rhythm. Gusto may talon, Dok.
Maliit talaga about 10. You talk about Terrence. They can score, but they're not defensive players.
Terrence gets the triple right back. Pulling San Miguel back within two.
And Terrence is having a good shooting night at 7. Pero look at the way they attack.
Pero Chongson. Bo again.
One more time. Ano pa?
Finally, para kay Big Bo.
Ano pa? You know, if John Mar is not going to go out, he's eventually going to shoot. That's part of the transition offense.
Perez to the corner. Marcio nagpakawala.
First basket niya. And that's because of CJ Perez.
That is good enough to give the Beermen back the lead, 59-57. Mamu Babawe.
Pero good rebound.
Oh, look at that pass. Fuller boards it and feeds Ildefonso.
30-second timeout being asked here by San Miguel. You cannot stop the ball anyway. Now that there's a dead ball, use your 30-second timeout. Now, if they...
Karakot gets it across. The floater, DeAndre.
Timeout yan because they're being hit by the fast breaks.
Rainer Shine pushing that lead to 6, the largest for the game. Napaaga tuloy ng hiling ng timeout dito. Ang San
To make the defense of San Miguel work harder. Magkuhan, Dr. J.
Maraming salamat, Apple. Ayun na, si Adams. They feed him down low. Kanina si Abay din, sinusubukan nila.
Yeah, but yung kay Abba is a one-on-one. And Fuller, you know, with his wood is 8. Perez, hindi tumitigil tumakbo. He's the only, you know, he's a young blood, a young guy.
21 points now for Perez. Pero naunahan siya ni Nokum.
If Perez is giving up the foul, but Balao just turned away and turned his back.
Belga to Lemeti. That guy is just talented, Doc.
Yeah. Sarap talaga maging bata at talented.
Yun. Husay maghanap ng anggulo eh.
Where they screen for their players before getting them at the post.
Mamu gets the bounce.
This is terrific fight back here by Rainer Shine. Masakit yung talo nila dito and they want the word R here.
Sila doon. Fuller barreling down the middle. To the right side he goes.
And even though he went to the right, it's not his strong side, he was able to finish properly.
Balik sa 12, abante ng Ross. Junmar down low. Mokom, aangkuluhan yun!
And one pa. And CJ is the one who defended. Siya fouled out.
Ubus
He fouls out.
ang foul ni Perez.
What a game he has played. Unfortunately, he can play no more.
Tuloy sa kampeonato, sama-sama tayo, manlalaro, tapisyonado.